In this session, we'll be creating a global action which creates a student record. Student is our custom object, and this global action will be creating this student record. So for that, we will go to Home tab here from the setup, and then search for action. And then down here, you will see global actions. So click on it, and we have some set of actions predefined already. We'll click on this button to create new one. This one says action tab should be create a record target object. We will select our custom object, which is student record type. We have two record types for the student. We will select domestic student record type and label. Let's go with that standard label that says create new record. For example, it will say new student. That's going to be the default label. Create new student. Create student will be the name. Success message will say student record was created. And save. That's the message that will appear after the student is created. On the student object, we have only one required field. That's why on this page layout, we have this, only this field given over here. If you want other fields populated when the record gets created, you can add them over here as well. So let's go with these two fields, and we will click on save. All right. Let's click on save. We exit out from there. Here also, you can predefine some values. Let's go ahead and do that. This will save some time for the user. Let's say has a valid driver license. Default value is going to be, we can set a default value. We will say false. Let's check the formula syntax. Let me navigate to the formula editor and check this. False will be returned, meaning by default, we're going to assume that the student does not have a valid driver license, and this checkbox will not be checked, okay? That's why I'm putting false here. I'm not putting a quotation mark because I'm not returning a text value. I have this checkbox. I have to either check it or keep it unchecked. When I return false value, the box will remain unchecked. If I put true here, the box will now be checked, indicating that the student has a valid driver license, but I'm not going to check it. By default, we're going to assume the student doesn't have valid driver license. Okay, click on save. Next, we'll need to add this global action to a publisher layout. So we will click on this link and edit this one. Go to mobile lightning actions, and new student action is here. We will drag and drop it over here, new student. And then we will save it. Let's save it one more time and then exit out from this page. And we will navigate to our Salesforce org, and we will do a refresh and then check those global actions. Let's click here. And now we see that new student action available. Let's click on it. Student name is Glow Student, Glow Action. SSN, let's give SSN and save. Student record was created. That's our custom success message. We will navigate to student records and see the values for that record. So this is our student, check it. And you see, has valid driver license, this box is not checked, and here are the values that we gave. So in this session, what we did is we created a global action that creates a student record, and also we predefined one value which returns false to uncheck that has valid driver license checkbox.